Okay, so we're going to talk about basic addition today. And really, what we're trying to do is we're going to be adding stuff, and I'm going to be showing you the thought process behind how simple addition works. So let's start something basic like 1 plus 1. Now, the question is, what is 1 plus 1? And everyone knows the answer, it's 2. Now, we're going to try to figure out why it's 2, right? So let's think about 1 as in a baseball, and then we have another baseball. So there's one baseball here, and then one baseball here, and then we're going to add these baseballs together, and we get 2. 2 baseballs. Now we go a little bit more advanced. We're going to be talking about something like 2 plus 3. Again, we do the same exercise. We have 2 baseballs here, and then we have 3 baseballs here, and then we're going to add them together. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's answer is 5. Okay, now let's talk a little bit more about how we can make this process more efficient, because obviously you can't be counting like that. So I'm going to teach you a little method that I've used quite extensively to figure out how to add stuff. And really the basic premise is that you have 5 fingers, and you have other 5 fingers, so that's a total of 10 fingers, right? So we're going to be talking about how we can use these fingers to add stuff together. But we're going to have a little twist here, because instead of the 5 fingers, we're going to be using the marks on your fingers to multiply this. So in essence, we don't have 5 fingers anymore. We don't have 5. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? Because we're going to count this as 3 as well, even though it's 2, but that's fine. So now we have 15 numbers to count on one hand and 15 numbers to count on the other hand. So we have a total of 30. So this gives us more play, because now we can just go with 2 plus 3 equals 5. We can say 1, 2, right? And then 1, 2, 3. Okay, and we just mark this, and we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So right there, it makes it a lot easier. We can even do these with big numbers. For instance, we might have something like 7 plus 9, and so we go like this. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right? And then we're going to start again with 9. So we're going to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay? And then we're going to go ahead and count these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer to this is 16. So really, that's all there is to this. But if you want to make this more exciting, you can always go ahead and draw a number line too. Now, what exactly is a number line? Well, a number line is basically a knot line, and all we're doing is we're putting stuff in here, and we're counting from 1, and we proceed 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, right? And you can continue forward depending on how much numbers you need. So something simple again, like 4 plus 6, we have 4 here, so we mark this guy out, right? And then we have 6 here, and so what we do is we mark this guy out too, and basically what we're going to do is we're going to count from 4, and then we're going to count to 6. And so what do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, obviously. Then we go back again, but we're going to start from 4 now. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 4 plus 6 equals 10. So these are some of the ways that you can count. Obviously, as you get further along, you can get faster. But again, the key is that you can use this method of counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 13, 14, 15, and the results will be much better because you can literally count 30 numbers on your hands. So instead of having to draw all this bullshit, you can just go ahead and use this as a way to go forward. So I'm hoping that this helped you out, and feel free to check out our website for more expert help with assignments. Thank you.